with. Molding a man takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, and it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know what being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
The human brain, an intricate tapestry of neurons, firing with the electrical energy of a billion stars. Each neuron, a tiny universe in itself, communicates with others through a complex web of synapses, creating the symphony of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. It is the command center of our being, the seat of consciousness, the birthplace of dreams. Every thought we have, every memory we cherish, and every decision we make originates from this remarkable organ. Within the skull of a young man lies not just gray matter, but a universe of untapped potential waiting to be explored. This potential is a vast expanse of creativity, intelligence, and innovation, ready to be harnessed. Imagine the possibilities held within each young mind. Each one is a beacon of hope, a source of new ideas and perspectives that can change the world. It's a realm brimming with raw curiosity, boundless energy, and the audacity to dream big. These young minds are not constrained by the limitations of the past. They are free to envision a future filled with endless possibilities. It is a fertile ground where the seeds of innovation, creativity, and compassion can be sown. Here, ideas take root and grow, nurtured by the enthusiasm and passion of youth. It is our collective responsibility to recognize this potential and nurture it with care. We must be the gardeners of this intellectual and emotional landscape, tending to it with patience and dedication. Just as a gardener tends to his crops, providing sunlight, water, and nourishment, so too must we cultivate the minds of our youth. We must be vigilant and attentive, ensuring that they receive the support and encouragement they need to thrive. We must provide them with the tools, resources, and guidance they need to flourish. This includes access to quality education, opportunities for creative expression, and environments that foster growth and learning. Education, mentorship, and a supportive environment are the essential nutrients for their growth. These elements work together to create a foundation upon which young minds can build their futures. From the moment a child is born, their brain begins to form connections at an astounding rate. Every interaction, every experience, and every moment of learning contributes to the intricate network of their developing mind. Synapses fire, forging pathways of learning and understanding. These connections are the building blocks of knowledge, shaping how a child perceives and interacts with the world around them. It is during these formative years that the foundation for future success is laid. The experiences and education a child receives during this time will influence their cognitive, emotional, and social development for the rest of their lives. As they grow, these young minds will face challenges and opportunities that will test their resilience and creativity. With the right support, they can overcome obstacles and achieve great things. Our role is to be their champions, to celebrate their successes and guide them through their struggles. By doing so, we help them realize their full potential and contribute to a brighter future for all. Consider the sheer scale of a young man's potential. His mind is a blank canvas upon which masterpieces can be painted. He has the capacity to learn, to adapt, and to create in ways that we are only beginning to understand. We must encourage this exploration, this thirst for knowledge, and this drive to push the boundaries of what is possible. It is within the realm of the unknown that true innovation lies. By fostering a spirit of curiosity and a willingness to challenge the status quo, we empower young men to become pioneers in their own right. They are the architects of the future, the dreamers who will turn science fiction into reality. The challenges facing our world today are complex and multifaceted. We need fresh perspectives, bold ideas, and unwavering determination to overcome them. The untapped potential within a young man's brain holds the key to unlocking solutions to some of humanity's most pressing problems. Let us not forget the importance of passion. When a young man is passionate about something, his energy becomes focused, his determination unwavering. It is this fire in the belly that drives progress and innovation. Education is the sunlight and water that nourishes the garden of a young man's mind. Access to quality education is not a privilege, but a fundamental human right. It is the bedrock upon which a just and equitable society is built. However, education is not simply about memorizing facts and figures. It is about fostering critical thinking skills, problem-solving abilities, and a lifelong love of learning. It is about equipping young men with the tools they need to navigate the complexities of the 21st century. Mentorship, too, plays a vital role in nurturing a young man's potential. Having a positive role model, someone who has walked the path before them, can provide invaluable guidance and support. Mentors can offer advice, share their experiences, and help young men believe in themselves. But our responsibility does not end there. We must also create an environment that is conducive to growth and development. An environment that values diversity, encourages creativity, and rewards hard work. An environment where young men feel safe to take risks, to learn from their mistakes, and to reach for their full potential. Section 4. Inspiration, the spark in the engine. Inspiration is the spark that ignites the engine of a young man's ambition. It is the initial flicker that lights up the path ahead, guiding him through the darkness of uncertainty and doubt. It is the force that propels him forward, that gives him the courage to dream big and the determination to turn those dreams into reality. This driving force is what separates those who merely wish from those who achieve. Inspiration can come from many sources. A book, a story that resonates deeply within, sparking a newfound interest or a long-forgotten passion.
Ladies, I want you to help me create a world of great men. Buy my book and give it to your man. He will thank you, and your son will thank you too.
A song, a melody that stirs the soul and awakens creativity. A conversation that opens up new perspectives and ideas. A moment of shared humanity, where a simple act of kindness or a heartfelt connection can inspire profound change. Think of the countless stories of individuals who have overcome adversity to achieve greatness. These narratives are not just tales of success, but are blueprints of resilience and perseverance. These stories serve as beacons of hope, reminding us that anything is possible with enough belief and perseverance. They teach us that setbacks are not the end, but rather stepping stones to greater achievements. We must share these stories with our young men, reminding them that they too have the power to make a difference. Exposure to different cultures, different perspectives, and different ways of thinking can broaden horizons and ignite passions. By immersing themselves in diverse environments, they learn to appreciate the richness of human experience and the vast array of possibilities that lie before them. It is through these encounters with the unfamiliar that we begin to question our assumptions, challenge our beliefs, and expand our understanding of the world around us. This process of exploration and discovery is essential for personal growth and development. it's crucial to remember that inspiration is not a passive process. It requires active engagement, a willingness to seek out new experiences, and an openness to the world around us. It demands that we step out of our comfort zones and embrace the unknown. It requires active engagement, a willingness to seek out new experiences, and an openness to the world around us. Encourage young men to explore their interests, to pursue their passions, and to never stop asking why. By doing so, they will uncover new opportunities and unlock their full potential. Encourage young men to explore their interests, to pursue their passions, and to never stop asking why. In this journey of self-discovery, they will find the spark that ignites their engine, driving them towards a future filled with endless possibilities and remarkable achievements. Section 5. Shared Visions, Shared Future. A young man's vision for the future is intricately linked to the development of his community. His dreams and aspirations are often shaped by the environment he grows up in, the people he interacts with, and the experiences he gathers along the way. When a young man feels a sense of belonging, when he knows that he is an integral part of a larger whole, he begins to see the value in his contributions. When he believes that his contributions matter, that his voice is heard and respected, he is more likely to take initiative and invest in the well-being of his community. He is more likely to volunteer his time, to lend a helping hand, and to be an active participant in community projects. This sense of purpose and belonging drives him to make a difference. Encourage young men to think beyond themselves, to look at the bigger picture, and to understand that their actions have a ripple effect on those around them, to consider the needs of others, to empathize with their struggles, and to work towards solutions that benefit everyone, and to use their talents and abilities to make a positive impact on the world around them. Whether it's through teaching others, sharing their skills, or simply being a role model, their influence can be profound. Whether it's volunteering their time at a local charity, mentoring a younger individual, or participating in community events, their actions can inspire others to do the same. Starting a business that creates jobs and opportunities for others, or launching initiatives that address community needs, can have a lasting impact. Or simply being a good neighbor, offering help and support to those around them, can strengthen the fabric of the community. Every action, no matter how small, can contribute to a brighter future for all. Planting trees, cleaning parks, and participating in community gardens are just a few examples of how small efforts can lead to significant change. Community involvement fosters a sense of responsibility, empathy, and civic engagement. It teaches young men the importance of being active citizens and contributing to the common good. It teaches young men the importance of collaboration, compromise, and working together towards a common goal. These experiences help them develop essential life skills. Working together on projects, solving problems as a team, and building something from the ground up instills a sense of accomplishment and pride. These are essential skills for success in any field, and they are the building blocks of a strong and vibrant society. Recognizing and celebrating their achievements further motivates them to continue their efforts, and they are the building blocks of a strong and vibrant society. When young men see the positive outcomes of their hard work, they are encouraged to keep striving for excellence. When we empower young men to become active participants in their communities, we create a ripple effect that extends far beyond the individual. Their leadership and enthusiasm can inspire others to get involved. We create a virtuous cycle of positive change where one generation inspires the next to strive for a better tomorrow. Community celebrations and events bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. We create a virtuous cycle of positive change, where one generation inspires the next to strive for a better tomorrow. By organizing events and motivating others, young men can play a pivotal role in shaping the future, where one generation inspires the next to strive for a better tomorrow. When young men see the impact of their actions, they are more likely to continue their efforts and inspire others to do the same.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man brings dependability.